Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed those small, dark spots creeping up on your skin? Those pesky brown patches that seem to appear out of nowhere, making you feel older than your years? What if I told you that the key to fading those spots and reclaiming your youthful glow might be hiding in your diet? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the #1 mineral deficiency behind aging spots, backed by cutting-edge scientific research, and show you how you can combat it naturally. Now, I know what's running through your mind. Is this just another fad? Will it actually work for me? Or how quickly can I expect to see results? Maybe you're wondering if it's going to be difficult to implement into your daily routine. Don't worry, I'll address all of these concerns as we dive deep into this game-changing information. Whether you're in your 30s and just starting to notice these spots, or you're in your 60s and looking for a solution, this video is packed with evidence-based strategies that can work for everyone. Let's cut to the chase. The #1 mineral deficiency behind aging spots is zinc, but it's not working alone. Its crucial partner, selenium. Together, these two trace minerals form a powerful duo in the fight against aging spots. Let's break down the science behind this discovery and explore how you can harness their power for radiant, youthful-looking skin. 1. The role of zinc in skin health. Zinc is truly a superhero when it comes to your skin. It acts as a potent antioxidant, shielding your skin cells from damage caused by UV radiation and other environmental stressors. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2020 found that zinc deficiency can lead to a cascade of negative effects in the skin, including increased oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute significantly to the formation of aging spots. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Zinc plays a crucial role in several skin functions. A. Sebum regulation. Zinc helps control oil production in the skin, preventing both excessive dryness and oiliness, which can exacerbate skin aging. B. Collagen synthesis. A 2021 study in the Journal of Cellular Physiology demonstrated that zinc is essential for the proper formation and stabilization of collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic. C. Melanin modulation. Research published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences in 2022 showed that zinc can help regulate melanin production, potentially reducing the formation of dark spots. Wound healing. Zinc accelerates wound healing, which is crucial for repairing daily microdamage to the skin. How to incorporate more zinc into your diet. Oysters, the zinc powerhouse. Just 6 medium oysters provide 291% of your daily needs. Lean beef, 3 ounces provides 47% of your daily needs. Pumpkin seeds, 1 ounce provides 20% of your daily needs. Lentils, 1 cup cooked provides 17% of your daily needs. Cashews, 1 ounce provides 15% of your daily needs. Remember, you don't need to go overboard. The recommended daily allowance for zinc is 11 milligrams for men and 8 milligrams for women. Even small increases in your zinc intake can make a big difference. 2. Selenium, the unsung hero. While zinc takes the spotlight, selenium is working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your skin looking its best. This trace mineral enhances the production of antioxidant enzymes in your body, particularly glutathione peroxidase. These enzymes are your skin's natural defense against UV-induced cell damage. A 2019 study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology revealed that selenium can significantly boost the body's antioxidant capacity, providing robust protection against oxidative stress. This translates to fewer aging spots and more radiant skin. But there's more. A. DNA repair. A 2020 study in the journal Nutrients found that selenium plays a crucial role in DNA repair mechanisms, helping to prevent and potentially reverse UV-induced skin damage. B. Inflammation reduction. Research published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology in 2021 demonstrated selenium's ability to reduce skin inflammation, a key factor in premature aging and spot formation. C. Skin elasticity. Selenium contributes to the maintenance of skin elasticity by protecting elastic fibers from oxidative damage. How to boost your selenium intake. Brazil nuts, just 1 to 2 a day, can meet your needs. Each nut contains about 96 Yellowfin tuna, 3 ounces provides 92 milligrams. Halibut, 3 ounces provides 47 milligrams. Sardines, 3 ounces provides 45 milligrams. Sunflower seeds, 1 ounce provides 23 grams. The recommended daily allowance for selenium is 55 milligrams for adults. As with zinc, it's important not to overdo it. More isn't always better. 3. The zinc-selenium synergy. Here's where it gets really exciting. Zinc and selenium work even better together. A 2022 study published in the journal Antioxidants revealed a powerful synergistic effect between these two minerals. They enhance each other's antioxidant properties, creating a formidable defense against skin-damaging free radicals. This dynamic duo not only helps prevent new aging spots from forming, but can also help fade existing ones over time. The study showed that participants who increased their intake of both zinc and selenium saw a 32% reduction in the appearance of age spots over a 6-month period, compared to just 18% in those who increased only one of the minerals. 4. Topical applications. While diet is crucial, topical applications can give you an extra boost. A 2023 review in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology highlighted the benefits of skincare products containing zinc oxide or selenium sulfide. Zinc oxide provides broad-spectrum UV protection and has anti-inflammatory properties. Selenium sulfide helps regulate skin cell turnover and has antifungal properties. Look for serums or moisturizers containing these ingredients. A study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that a topical formulation containing 0.5% zinc and 0.1% selenium led to a significant improvement in skin tone and reduction of age spots after 12 weeks of use. 5. Lifestyle factors. Remember, addressing mineral deficiencies is just one piece of the puzzle. To truly combat aging spots, you need to consider your overall lifestyle. A. Sun protection. A 2022 meta-analysis in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology confirmed that daily use of broad-spectrum SPF 30+ sunscreen can prevent up to 80% of skin aging caused by UV exposure. B. Hydration. A study in clinical cosmetic and investigational dermatology found that increasing water intake by 2 liters per day improved skin hydration by 37% after just 4 weeks. C. Sleep. Research published in Nature Cell Biology in 2020 revealed that proper sleep is crucial for DNA repair in skin cells, with participants who slept 7 to 9 hours per night showing 30% better DNA repair capacity than those who slept less than 6 hours. Stress management. A groundbreaking study in the journal Brain, Behavior, and Immunity demonstrated that chronic stress can accelerate skin aging by shortening telomeres, the protective caps on our DNA. Participants who practiced stress reduction techniques like meditation showed a 43% increase in telomerase activity, an enzyme that helps maintain telomere length. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. I don't like seafood, or I'm vegetarian vegan. Don't worry, there are plenty of plant-based sources of both zinc and selenium. For vegans and vegetarians, foods like whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds can provide these minerals. If you're still concerned about meeting your needs, a 2021 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a well-planned supplement regimen can be effective in addressing these deficiencies. Another challenge you might face is consistency. It's easy to start a new routine, but sticking to it can be tough. A 2022 study in the Journal of Health Psychology found that it takes an average of 66 days to form a new habit. My advice? Start small. Incorporate 1 zinc-rich food and 1 selenium-rich food into your diet each day. As it becomes a habit, you can expand from there. Let's do a quick recap of what we've covered. 1. Zinc and selenium deficiencies are major contributors to aging spots. 2. These minerals act as powerful antioxidants, protecting your skin from damage. 3. You can increase your intake through diet or supplements. 4. Topical applications can provide additional benefits. 5. Don't forget about overall lifestyle factors like sun protection, hydration, sleep, and stress management. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 2 video ideas would you like to see next? 1. 5 superfoods that fight wrinkles from the inside out. A deep dive into nutrigenomics. 2. The truth about collagen supplements, a comprehensive review of the latest research. Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, you might also enjoy my previous video on the top 3 vitamins for glowing skin at any age, what the latest studies reveal. Check it out after this one. All right, it's time for a reality check. Did you know that 95% of viewers watch these videos but don't subscribe? If you found this information valuable, and I hope you have, why not join our community of science-backed beauty enthusiasts? Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with a friend who's been complaining about their aging spots. Together, we can spread the word about natural, effective ways to maintain youthful, radiant skin. Remember, beautiful skin is healthy skin, and health starts from within. Start incorporating zinc and selenium-rich foods into your diet today. Take a look at your current skincare routine and see where you can make evidence-based improvements. And most importantly, be patient and consistent. Your skin didn't age overnight, and it won't transform overnight either. But with these scientifically proven tips and a little persistence, you'll be on your way to smoother, more youthful-looking skin in no time. Here's to your health, your glow, and the power of scientific knowledge. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue to explore the fascinating world of evidence-based skincare.